Weekly forex market analysis with Millionaire Logistics. So guys, let's look at the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. That's the Aud Cad, right? The Aud Cad weekly chart. So guys, from this content, guys, we're going to be sharing with you a fundamental analysis of the Aud Cad, a top-down analysis and breakdown of the Aud Cad, and a forex trading strategy with clarity for trading Aud Cad for the coming week. So guys, we hope you love to stick around. Meanwhile, guys, let's get the likes rolling, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, as we dive into the chart. Okay, so we're on the Aud Cad weekly chart. There's nothing much to do, but let me just zoom in a little bit. So guys, just like what we had on the Australian dollar US dollar, which is our previous analysis. So guys, if you've not checked out the Australian dollar US dollar analysis, so guys, it's high time you just check it out. So remember that okay, let's just do this first. So guys, we have here to be our supply zone, guys. Okay, there's a supply zone on the weekly chart. There's nothing much there to explain, but we'll still throw some light on it. So remember, guys, one thing we have to know is that Aud Cad is more like a commodity pair, right? The Australian dollar is a commodity-based currency, and the Canadian dollar is also a commodity-based currency. So right here, we're having like a tug of war between the two commodity-based currencies, right, making it a pair. But then it still meets our conditions, right? So first off, the price is coming from a supply zone, a weekly supply zone, which we're going to look how it formed on the 4-hour candle, right, on the 4-hour chart. So guys, stick to the analysis till we get to that point, guys, so we all get the main point. So what we can notice here, guys, is this, right? Clearly, Aud USD, Aud Cad, guys, has been in a downtrend, right? Aud Cad has been in a downtrend, right? Aud Cad has been in a downtrend from our outer trend, guys. Okay, now going into our mid trend too, you can also see that Aud Cad here, right, aside the outer trend, guys, don't worry, I'm going to take this off. On the inner trend too, Aud Cad has also been in a downtrend, right? With actually this area not accounted for, guys. Okay, this area was not really much accounted for. So, but what we can clearly see from the chart here is this. What we can clearly see is from the chart is very simple, right? That the price has been making from this point here after this break, right? After the price took away this level, swept this level of liquidity down here, right? Swept this level of liquidity, right? Swept this level of liquidity. So first a support level was swept off, another support level was swept off, and then we had like this price clearing those two areas up, right? Clearing those two areas, and right, we had this very big supply zone initially at the upside, and we also have right now we're having an under supply zone, right? We're having an under supply zone that we believe will actually bring the Aud Cad pair even further lower to the downside, right? To the downside. Okay, so let's see how the supply zone first originated, right? Let's look at the daily chart. Okay, remember, guys, still Aud Cad. So this was what transpired, guys. So can we see any kind of move here? Can we see any kind of very much crazy move here? Okay, I can actually cite one still inside the trend, guys. Okay, can actually see this candle of very little wick, right? Very little wick inside the zone, right? Inside the zone. So what made this supply zone to be valid is very much basic, right? Okay, very much basic. What made the supply zone to be valid? What we can see here clearly is, guys, is this level here. There was this kind of first off there was this very obvious resistance level right here, retail resistance level, right, that was taken off. Retail resistance level that was taken off at this point, right? There was this retail resistance level that was taken off at this point, right? And after the level was taken off, right, the price actually came back inside and swept the support level, right? It swept it, so it broke the structure to the downside. And then after breaking the structure to the downside, guys, we can actually see some kind of another kind of lower point of supply right here, right? And we can see the price actually coming down to the downside. So on this daily time frame, we can spot here to be a demand zone, just like what we did on the Aud USD. I advise you guys, if you've not seen the Aud USD analysis, go check it out on analysis. Just check our contents videos, right? Because we're giving out about 3 different analysis for this for the coming week. Okay, so we have here to be a demand zone. Okay, we have here to be a demand zone. So this will be a likely take profit on the long term. It's very much chances here are very much high, as you can see, but we actually expect the downtrend to be continuous, right? Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, guys, okay, see how the price actually played out. What can we see? Right on this level, that the price is actually doing well, coming to the downside, right? Okay, so what we want to see here, let's check what we have on the 1-hour chart for the Aud Cad. Okay, very brilliant, right? Very, very brilliant. So our closest area that we can actually spot here from where the price is coming from, guys, let's see if we have some kind of patterns that you can actually look forward to. Okay, how price will react. Most definitely price may come back into the zone, right? Price may come back into the zone and react for that. So let's see how we can fine-tune these entries, right? Okay, so basically I want to see price react off this level. Okay, so I would love to see price play into the zone, right? I would love to see price play into the zone, right? And if the price actually finds some kind of resistance into the zone, I want to take the price further to the downside from the zone, right? From this other block here that has been created, right? So if the price holds here, the price holds around here, I want to see further move to the downside, right, from the zone here. So let's see. Okay, I want to expect some kind of move like this. But guys, it doesn't have to be this perfect. Remember, price can actually stall around this area. The price can actually stall around this area, right, before finding its way to the downside. Okay, permit me, let me make this green. Okay, so we have something like a possible entry on this we have a possible entry. So if price actually makes it around here, right, okay, we could have a small stop loss around here, and okay, could have very massive pips like this, right? Could have very massive pips like this. So guys, if you actually love the analysis, or you feel that you've gotten some form of value from this analysis, guys, don't forget to like the content, and don't forget to comment, guys. Remember, after we get 50 likes and comments on this content, we're going to share with you the configuration of our dynamic support and resistance moving average that you see here on the chart. We're going to share with you free, guys. And also, we're also doing a giveaway for people who are in Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. For people who are in Port Harcourt or within Port Harcourt metropolis, we will be doing something exclusive for you guys. And for you to actually benefit from that, it's very mandatory that you subscribe to our channel. It's okay too that you join our Facebook group on Facebook, guys. It's a Millionaire Logistics FX community on Facebook, and you can actually subscribe to the channel as well, and maybe send us a mail, and we'll meet you one-on-one, and then we'll school you through. We'll also give you, now the giveaway is very special, guys. You guys want to hear it? Okay, we actually developed a trading system, guys, that just spots and highlights trends and actually highlights demand and supply zones like other blocks, right? Very fantastic stuff. And based on everything, our analysis that we've been doing so far for years now, with much experience, we were able to put this and a whole lot more into this particular trading system that, no, it's not perfect, but it can actually guide you, and with some fundamentals that we're also going to share with you on how to navigate the market and make more informed analysis and approach towards the market. So if you like the idea, guys, keep the likes coming. Okay, so as sentimental buyers, guys, for the Aud card is also bearish. However, guys, do take note of the criteria, do take note of the setups here that we actually give, and not everything is 100%, but with this we're actually going to do our best, and with proper risk to reward management and risk management, guys, we're actually going to make more informed decisions in the market. So that's our analysis for the Aud card, guys. Let's not forget Millionaire Logistics. Let's go take some risk, let's go make some money.